Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a really stuck tie rod end. So this is a tie rod end. You can't tell because it broke off. It's supposed to go there. I put my pickle fork in between here, busted the thing off, actually removed this all the way down to the ball. And so we still have this guy stuck in the steering knuckle. So we need to remove this. So I tried the pickle fork after that, and I went online and I had all kinds of ideas. You could take a pry bar, you could pry up on a suspension component, you can use a removal tool that's basically a clamp. You can do all that stuff. Well, this guy has been there since 1986. It's stuck on there good. So what do you do? If all those crazy suggestions of just spray some lubricant on it and pound it doesn't work, now what do you do? Well, you're going to need oxyacetylene. I'm going to show you what to do. We're just going to heat this thing up and then we're going to pound it out. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to get a really nastily stuck tie rod end unstuck. I'm going to dial my oxygen in to about 20 pounds, okay? I'm going to dial my acetylene in to about 5, all right? So you just open these valves up, you turn this until you're where you need to be, about 20 and 5, okay? I'm using a cutting torch, but I'm not going to cut with it. I'm going to use a cutting torch because this is a head that will disperse that flame, okay? A little better than a regular head will, a welding head will, because I just want a nice big flame that will heat. I'm going to get that steering knuckle pretty hot, and then I'm going to pound on it. Holy